Welcome to Project 3, the Ripple Effect Textured Bracelet. Before we begin our project, make sure that your block is on a level and sturdy surface, and it is turned into a diamond shape in front of you so you have a wider workspace. Begin by peeling the plastic coating off of your 14 gauge 1/4 inch aluminum bracelet. Make sure to pull the plastic off the front and the back. Our next step is to take our multifunction hammer and insert your ball peen texture head with the notch facing down. Secure the head by tightening the screw at the bottom of your hammer. You are going to hold your multifunction hammer at the bottom with your palm around the screw. Place your fingers of your non-dominant hand on your bracelet blank where you feel comfortable, and begin to texture the bracelet, making sure that your textured impressions are close together, giving your bracelet a rustic and artisan look. Once you have textured your bracelet to your liking, we are going to begin to bend it into a bracelet. Using our bracelet bending bar, insert the bracelet into the channel with the texture upward facing. Firmly place your thumb against the bracelet. Take the palm of your hand and bend it halfway around the bar, making sure not to overbend it. Flip your bracelet over and place the other end inside of the channel. With your thumb firmly against it, take the palm of your hand and bend it halfway over the bar. For our last step, take your bracelet blending plier and place it in the center. Match the curvature of the bracelet to the curvature of the plier. Give it one forceful squeeze in the center and begin forming your bracelet by squeezing and releasing the pliers, working your way around the bracelet on both sides.